Hvala vam da ste došli večeras i velika je nam čast da biti ovdje sa vama. To je naš prvi put u Pertu. This has been a long time happening. Someone was messaging us to come to Perth as early as 2013. So it's been 10 years in the making. Ladies and gentlemen, our first part of this program is a little bit of, it's more of a concert, so feel free to get up, get drinks and come back, and because we're just going to talk about our journey, all the amazing experiences we've had so far, and of course sing a little bit for you. And then later on in the night we'll see how it goes. If I've drank enough, we'll have some more faster stuff, jump around. Don't break anything because we have no insurance for tonight. I'd like to thank the Uprava for bringing us out. It was, we weren't sure how it's going to be. It's right in the middle of winter when a lot of people are in Croatia right now. But you are here, so that's all that matters. So first question is always the first question. Zašto Samoanci opjevaju hrvatske pjesme? Why are Samoans singing in Croatian? So please do not ask me this later. Yeah, don't ask me this later. I swear we always have one person that sits there throughout the whole concert. I explain everything. As soon as we go for a cigarette, they ask me the exact same questions. So please, I'm going to tell you now. So before we start, who here does not speak Croatian? Okay. That's alright. If you take a shot or two, you will activate your fluency in Croatian. So we had a Croatian teacher in high school. He was from Dubrovnik, and I was the tuba player in our orchestra. We were going on tour to Italy, Slovenia, Croatia, and he said, Christian, before you go to Croatia, make sure you learn this song, Croatia iz duše te ljubim. I'm like, okay. Well, at that time I didn't even know where Croatia was. I thought it was in between Iran and Iraq. So I was like, okay, yeah, whatever. And the first song was in Sveti Donat in Zadar. And all I remember was we had, I started singing and then people were standing up, clapping, cheering, crying. And I was like, what the hell is this? This is... Because if you know Samoans, they're like, sit there and they're just judging you the whole time. Because all Samoans can sing. So for me it was really different. And then the thing I will never forget was after that concert, I had fully grown men coming up and kissing me. And that was the first that ever happened in my life. And so after that, fast forward to now, I put on 40 kgs since then. It's been 15 years. We've gone to Croatia, I don't know, 13, 14, 15 times maybe. We've released 2 singles under Croatia Records, and we are now gone everywhere and finally make it to Perth. So thank you so much. And to start with, we're going to do maybe Zora Bila. Let's do Zora Bila. This is a very nice song to start with because we did our sound check like 4 hours ago, so I don't know if my voice is good right now, but we will see. Feel free to sing along anytime you want, but please just don't be louder than the singers on stage. We had one guy do that at another concert. He was there singing louder than us, and I said, maybe we should just give him the microphone. Majelovi poći leći, svi su drugi davno pošli. Tvoja mati usnula je, čekajući kad ćeš doći. Svi su drugi davno legli, ugašene sve su sviće. Ja bi opet i ja s tobom gledat zoru kako sviće. Nije meni nikad dosta tvojih ruku, tvoga tila. Opet će nas zagrijene naći skupa zora bila. Nije meni nikad dosta, prilipa si moja bila. Opet će nas zagrijene naći skupa zora bila. Svi su drugi davno legli, ugašene sve su sviće. Ja bi opet i ja s tobom gledat zoru kako sviće. Nije meni nikad dosta tvojih ruku, tvoga tila. Opet će nas zagrijene naći skupa zora bila. Nije meni nikad dosta, prilipa si moja bila. Opet će nas zagrijene naći skupa zora bila. Opet će nas zagrijene naći skupa zora bila. So tonight is a mixture of songs which have really made a profound impact on us over our journey. So in 2011 I went as a soloist with the Croatian folklore ensemble from New Zealand, and while I was there I heard ensemble Lado singing Vilo Moja as a klapa, and I'm like, hey, this sort of sounds like Samoan music, we can do this. So we went and started our own klapa, and then we were on the Omish Klapa Festival 2013 and 2015, and then again as special guest in 2019. And so klapa music has been a big part of us to this day, and for us it's people are like, so wait, you're Samoan, you live in New Zealand, but you sing Croatian. And I said, okay, I understand how it starts, but how did you get more singing something? And I'm like, listen, I said, people don't understand. Samoan and Croatian are very similar. They are two countries in the middle of nowhere that nobody cares about, that nobody knows about, but that swear to God that the whole world was made just for them. It's true.